And here we have, as you know, the half sagittal head. We're going to be looking at the nasal cavity and the pharynx here. So one of the first things that you were asked to identify were the nasal concha, the superior, middle, and inferior nasal concha located in the nasal cavity. Then, as we look towards the back, this area is called the nasopharynx. In here, there is the pharyngeal tonsil. That's number 2 on your handout. Number 3, right here, the hard palate. Sorry, watch where I'm pointing my pointer, the hard palate. Then number 4, the soft palate, where number 5 at the back of our mouth, hanging down as you open up your mouth, the uvula, right there. Then if we take a look right below the uvula, and I'll focus in right here, that's the palatine tonsil. Remember, at the back of the palate, the soft palate, the uvula, the palatine tonsil. Then below the tongue, the linguinal tonsil. Then we pop down, and you guys should remember this. This is the epiglottis. So this area from here down to where the start of the epiglottis is, that's the oropharynx. Remember, this is the trachea that leads down into the lungs. Behind that is the esophagus. 2 other structures that you were asked to be able to identify up on the top of the head, the frontal sinus and the sphenoid sinus. So again, superior, middle, inferior nasal conchae, right? Pharyngeal tonsils in the nasopharynx, the hard palate, the soft palate, right at the very end of the soft palate, the uvula, the palatine tonsil, and the linguinal tonsil located in the oropharynx, the epiglottis leading to the trachea. The esophagus goes posterior, closest to the vertebral column, the frontal sinus, and the sphenoid sinus.